Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to answer questions that I've been getting a lot in the past month, and I got it today again, and with the video that I posted about the compatibility check for 24H2. Question is, if my machine is running Windows 11, will I get 24H2? It is a question that's been asked a lot because of the video of the minimum requirements change on the old CPUs. And I mean, I don't think anyone on these old CPUs is running Windows 11 anyways. So the thing is if you're running 23H2 right now, if you're running 22H2, you are going to be compatible with 24H2. There is no problem there. So if you are compatible, if your PC is supported, there's no problem. You're moving ahead to 24H2. Everybody. Now, the thing is, there might be just one change to what is going to happen at 24H2. And we might start seeing this happen with some of the features. Because there will be more AI-driven features, they might have some features that will be only for those that have NPUs or neural processing units on their computers. So there will be kind of a separation. It already exists. There's a feature within Windows 11 that enables to have kind of a dynamic background change in videos that exists, and that is requires NPU to work. No NPUs, it's not available in your Windows 11. So there's already a feature that does that. And I think more of those will happen through time. So in 24H2, you'll still be compatible, but you might just not have access to all the AI features, or in a limited way to some of the AI features. But the Windows operating system will work. You'll still have Windows, and there's no problem there. Once again, for those that have unsupported hardware, you'll be able to move to 24H2. There won't be a change in the way Microsoft checks for, the minimum requirements. So with the tools that you have, if you use Rufus, for example, to remove the verifications, if you're on unsupported, you will have to manually move to 24H2 like you had to manually move to 23H2. And so on. It's the way it is. Microsoft will not offer you 24H2 directly. You'll have to manually do it, but you will be compatible 24H2 also. So there's no problem there. And for those that are looking for new PCs, any PC that runs Windows 11 that you purchase will run 24H2 without any problems, and future versions of Windows 11. One last little detail, if I'd be in the market for a new Windows PC, I might look into a Windows PC that maybe has an NPU in it. That would probably guarantee you not only more compatibility with the future versions of Windows, but also maybe more compatibility with future Windows versions that are not Windows 11, maybe a possible Windows 12 or so on in the future. So that's pretty much it. And they're expecting almost half of the PC this year that will be sold to be sold with NPUs already. So this is going to be interesting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.